Hey y'all, so we're gonna get straight into this video. I like to section off my leave out and braid my hair down just to make it a little bit flat. It's not gonna be the perfect braiding, but some people like to just put it in a ponytail, and I just like to braid it straight back. As you can see, it's not the perfect braiding, but it's okay. I went to the beauty supply and I saw this U-part wig. I don't usually do curly hair, big curly hair, but I said, why not give it a try? This is my first time trying it. So it's a curly afro 14 inch. It was only $30. The clip-ins was pretty sturdy. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy watching me install this U-part wig for the first time.